viewers, what I have for you today is a summary of this Shadow Springer by ASG. Previously I made accuracy type videos at 10 meters, 15 meters and also 25 meters. Now I will walk through these distances, but I will include also other. We will go 10 meters, 15 meters, 20, 25 and maybe 30 meters to try how this will perform overall. So first, I have a paper target at 10 meters, 14 rounds in the magazine, 0.25 grams, and we will see what this can do. So, meters. Oh. I didn't load around.
You just got jammed.
Maybe I can use some oil on this gun after 5 years of using it. Oh, miss. Oh, again miss. Okay, 14 rounds. We will move at 15 meters. Okay, I placed the target at 15 meters. Again, full magazine, 0.25 grams. And let's see. Almost. Slightly to the right. Hit. Hit. Almost. Very close. Hit. Hit.
You just got jammed.
This really needs some oil. Hit. Hit. It starts to show its age. Hit.
You just got jammed.
Interesting. Too high. Almost. And the last round. Almost. But they are really pretty close. Now we move on to 20 meters. Okay, 25 meters. Still using 0.25 grams. almost. I'm not expecting too much because of the small target. Almost. A hit.
You just got jammed.
And again, double feed. Embarrassing. Hit.
You just got jammed.
And again. The issue here seems to be due to magazine, not because of the gun. Almost. Slightly to the right. Almost. Again to the right. Low. The target is almost exactly the size of the front sight at 20 meters. Almost, I hit. I hit. And we are out. We go for the 25 meters, but we use the bigger target for that. Okay, 25 meters. As you can see, the target was previously used, but for the purpose of this video, it's okay. We are changing BBs, 0.23 grams, and we go for 25 meters. Nice hit. Almost. Slightly to the right. Almost. Oh, too high. To the right. Again. And more. Maybe it's due to wind. It's shifting constantly. Nice hit. Again hit. Hit. Almost. Hit. And the last round. The issue here seems to be the magazine, because with this one I have no jams, but on the other hand, with this one, which is strange because this one I bought few weeks ago, and this is as old as the gun, so maybe 5 years. So 25 meters and bigger target will do it. We try 30 meters. So I have the big target at 30 meters. We are using 0.23 grams again. Actually it's 31 meters according to my rangefinder. but close enough, I think. So we try it. Almost a hit. Almost a hit at 30 meters. Almost. To the right. A hit. Almost. Oh. A hit. Almost. Almost. And we are out. I will try also these 0.20 grams. $14 rounds. Okay. A hit. Almost. Almost. It's too far to see where I'm really hitting it. I'm only guessing. Hit. Almost. Too much to the right. Hit. Three more rounds. A hit. Almost. And hit. So maybe this will show you what's what. Again, Shadow by ASG, a pretty nice Springer. Again, this other magazine seems to be
Bye, have a great time.
the reason why this jam. So I will look into it more. But that's all for today. Thanks for watching.